Okay, what you got, Kwame? LOL unicorn?
Yeah, let's go open it.
Okay, let's
And I
open
have
it.
one here.
Sige.
Look. And look.
Wow!
It can stand right here too.
Okay, what you got? Si Ice na, Kwame. You already got Ice. Ngayon, ay, lalaglag.
I got pink.
You got pink? Ooh! At least you don't have the same one, Kwame.
Huh? Oh no,
Ay,
ears.
ears. Sige, mamaya, lagay natin. Mami to help you, Kwame. Say hard. Galing ah. Ouchie. Hana, let me start it for you. Can you do it yourself? You sure ano? Yan, yung ano. Yung nails mo, Kwame.
Dapat pala, pinadala ko sa inyo yung card.
Bakit?
Tayo.
Sige, open it. Tumba. Let me help you.
Mami, you don't have diaper.
Papa's gonna put the ears.
Oh, mami.
Ang galing. You got one, the same one. Ang galing.
Let's open this.
The one in the video, right?
Yeah.
Ito, Kwame, ano to?
Okay, no, let me open this first.
Okay.
Oh, got pink too.
Yan nga, pink. Ano nga bang name niyan, Kwame?
Let's go open the stuff first.
It's gonna be...
Oh, two pinks. Hey, look, I got dark pink
Oo
and
nga.
I like pink.
Si MC Pose, Kwame. You got MC Pose.
Look, the ears that I.
Wow! There you go.
What's this? Ew, what's
Ito
this?
pa yung ano.
No, I'm gonna open this first. It's this.
Yung unicorn, yung horn niya.
Where's it gonna put the ear?
Sige, later na. Ito, open mo din to.
Nana! Yes!
Huh?
I can never tangle this one.
Doon na sa ano, mamaya. Okay. Put it right here, oh, Kwame.
But I want to...
Sige, put it right here. Tapos I'm gonna help you tanggal that one. Okay. Open mo muna yung ano, yung hair. Open mo yung hair.
Where's hair?
There you go. Anong name niya? Si Pose?
Here's the hair.
MC Pose. MC Rose or MC Pose? MC Pose. Okay.
Hindi ba yun ang
Cute that I look.
Ang ganda, Kami.
sumasain ako?
Where's
Okay.
that I?
Put it right here and take that out. Can you take it out? Your mommy help you.
Yes, yes.
Help you. Abish, ask you. Ay, sus. Tumba. Ayan na. Slowly lang, Kwame, ha? Naku, mag-ano yan. Ask ka kay nanay ng ano,
Yeah.
napkin.
Papa's can help.
Yun nga, told you. Dapat a little bit ng Kwame.
Mami,
Ayan na.
slowly lang, para hindi matapon.
O yung other one naman, Kwame.
Here.
Ayan, you do it. Ayan, ako na.
Yeah, bakit hapon?
Is he going in?
Yeah.
What color?
It's dark pink.
Purple or dark pink?
Dark pink.
Okay. Can I have the napkin, please? Cover mo na yung ano, ito.
This one here?
Yes, yan.
Ew.
It's hard. Let me do it for you.
Kung matulog, okay ka na? Nina?
Let me put this in.
Teka, wala pa eh.
Then put the ears.
Sige, come on. Put the ears, Kwame.
I'm not gonna.
You cannot do it? You can do it. Why not?
Oh.
Kana.
Look at the hair, guys.
Oh, lagay mo na yung hair, Kwame.
Okay.
I don't know how to put it, Kwame. You got it? Ang ganda naman ng hair niya, Kwame. Yung ears na lang. Ay, dito yun. Sa kabila yun, Kwame. Goes on the other ear. Other side.
Nanay, I got the same. Nanay, I got the same. Hey, that's so funny. I got the same like her. But I got the same like her.
Oo nga.
I got the same.
Asan ba yung hole? Ayun pala yung hole. Cannot see the hole, Kwame.
The hair is covering it. This one is not. Look, it's the seat. Look, guys, I have yellow
What's the name niyan? Si MC Pose.
and C-pose, and this is I.
Eyes, okay. Yan, there you go. Okay,
And
I got a question for you, Kwame.
Okay,
I got a question for you, Kwame, before you... Oh, sige, do it. Okay. What do you want to
And I
show them?
got purple and pink.
Oo nga.
And look at the hair.
You're too close, Kwame. They cannot see it.
Look.
You need to go that one.
Oh,
There you go. Yan.
look
Purple
at the
and
hair.
pink. Okay. Yeah. Now, I got a question for you, Kwame. Don't tap it, Kwame. Kwame, I got a question for you, Kwame. Okay?
Hey.
Hey, ganda si MC Pose. Okay. I got a question for you, Kwame. So, what makes you happy today, Kwame?
The
You are
playground.
happy. You went to... Hindi naman tayo nagpunta ng playground eh. What made you smile today?
But now they say tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
library.
Library. You're happy kasi you got new toy. You got MC Pose.
Yeah.
And si Ice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. Love you. Plastic. Okay, say bye-bye na sa kanila.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Poo-poo.
Pupu.
Boo.